Hey air fryer crew, save this recipe, Mediterranean beef meatball kebabs. Great for the conventional oven too, so everyone follow along for the recipe. It's really not many ingredients, but the combination packs a big punch. Garlic and parsley are finely minced and added to lean ground beef, ideally 93% lean, along with cumin, salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, and an egg. Gently mix together until it's well combined but not overmixed. You'll also need about a tablespoon of water to soften the mixture since we're using such lean meat. Almost there, just shape the meat mixture into 12 2-inch balls. These are hearty servings, and into the air fryer they go. This is such a versatile recipe that it may be worth doubling it as a meal prep option. At that point, the conventional oven may be more efficient. Either way, it's about 25 minutes of cooking. For the full experience, heat up some pita or naan and serve with tzatziki and chopped vegetables. However you serve it, you'll always remember how flavorful these Mediterranean beef meatballs are.